Function of transducer is to convert non-electrical quantity into electrical signal. The correct option is B. Potentiometer transducers are used for the measurement of pressure and displacement. Hence, the correct answer is D, both A and B. Thermistor is a transducer. Its temperature coefficient is negative. The correct option is A. Strain gauge is a passive device and converts mechanical displacement into a change of resistance. The correct option is C. Constantan is used for measurement of dynamic strength. It is an alloy of copper and nickel. The correct option is D. The linear variable differential transformer transducer is an inductive transducer. The correct option is A. The transducers used for the measurement are all of these: resistance temperature detectors, thermistors, and ultrasonic. If at one end the two wires made of different materials are joined together, then a voltage will get produced between the two wires due to the difference of temperature between the two ends of the wires. The effect is observed in thermocouple. The correct option is A. For the measurement of pressure, the instrument used can be mechanical, electromechanical, and electronic. All of this is correct option. With the increase in the intensity of light, the resistance of a photovoltaic cell decreases. Hence, the correct answer is B. Accuracy of an measuring instrument indicates the closeness of the output reading to the true value. The option A is correct. Considering cost of instruments, which is a better choice, active or passive? The correct option is B, passive instrument. Precision of an instrument is defined as degree of freedom from random errors. The correct option is C. Range or a span of an instrument defines both minimum and maximum value of quantity that the instrument is designed to measure. The correct option is C. Hysteresis most commonly occur in instruments that contains springs and electrical windings formed round on iron core. The correct option is C, both A and B.